Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to add products on TikTok Shop from Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So let's go ahead and go to your web browser. You can use your mobile phone or your computer. Just simply log in into your Shopify account. You can log in with your email address, or you can use your Google account, Apple ID, or even Facebook account. Once you're successfully logged in, you need to make sure that you are at your Shopify store logged in. And here you can simply just choose your account. This is what we've logged in earlier. Once you click on that, you will be routed into your homepage. This is the dashboard of your account here at Shopify. So click on the three bars menu on the upper left corner of the screen and simply type in on the search box, TikTok. When you click on TikTok, you just simply need to install this application into your Shopify account, and you'll be able to see here your TikTok channel overview. So these are the informations on what this TikTok application is about and how it would help you create your account or connect your TikTok account to your Shopify. This is where you'll be able to add your products as well. So you just simply click on Set Up Now. This is the button right here. When you click on that, the first thing that you need to do is connect your TikTok account or log in with your TikTok business account. So here I have the same email address, and I'll be typing in my password. And then there's a few verifications that you need to follow so that you'll be able to successfully log in into your TikTok account. Here you also have the option to log in using your TikTok account. You can open your TikTok application on your mobile phone. But in order for us to proceed with connecting our Shopify to TikTok shop, just simply log in using your email or your username so that you'll be able to log in here with your TikTok for your Shopify account. So you can, like in my case here, I'll be using logging in with an email. Just type in my password and just simply click on log in, and you just need to wait for it to load. And once you are successful with logging in, you'll be able to see here that you need to authorize linking your Shopify account to your TikTok for business. So you just click on authorize access. And once you click on authorize access, you'll be routed into this page, and just simply click on connect so that you'll be able to set up your marketing here for TikTok. So now that we have set up your TikTok for business, you can go ahead and set up our TikTok ads manager. So since we haven't added any account yet, we just need to click on create new. As you can see, once you connect your TikTok for business, it also will be indicated what's the name of your store as well. So for your ads manager, you just need to fill out all these details like your phone number, your name of your company. Once you are done with that, you can just click on sign up and make sure you check the terms and conditions as well. Once that's done, the next thing that we will do is the data sharing. So all you had to do is just simply choose enhanced and then just confirm or click on confirm. And now that we have most of the parts done, you can go ahead and click on the company information. We can set it up. Just click on the setup button. That's the green button right there. This would actually set up our company information here with our TikTok shop here onto our Shopify. So be mindful as well, or just to inform you that here with the Shopify, you actually need to have a plan for this. so that you'll be able to access it fully, since what I'm using here is just a free trial. I believe that's only for 7 days or 14 days. So here, when we connect our company information, just fill out all the details like the street address, your postal code, and then a lot more information's here. Then you can just click on next. You can even choose what payment you will be using. Once everything has been set up, you can go ahead and click on the Finish Setup button. Once you click on this button right here, it will successfully create your TikTok channel overview. But just to make sure, or just to inform you, it actually would take 24 hours so that you will be able to successfully complete the process here. So you can also create the business center account. So you can just click on approve. You have the marketing catalog locations. Make sure you choose your country. And you just need to click on confirm. Just click on finish setup. And most of it are done. So what you can do here, so for example, you want to add a product to your TikTok shop from Shopify, you can simply go to the 3 bars menu that's on the upper left corner of the screen. When you go there, you'll be able to see there's an option for you to add a product. But please keep in mind, as I mentioned earlier, the account is under review still, since this is a very new account that I'm setting up. It normally would take 24 hours until it would be fully reviewed. So as I mentioned earlier, click on the 3 bars menu and go to products. And under products, click on products once again. So you have the option to click on add product, and you'll be able to see here, you just need to input the title, what's the name of your product, description, the pricing, and a lot more. So what you can do here is that once you fill out all these details, you'll be able to see under publishing, your sales channel, you actually have the option for TikTok right there. So you can click on that, but it will only indicate as a available option for you once the review for your TikTok account has been completed. That's the time you'll be able to use TikTok for your sales channel. So once you add a product here on Shopify, it will automatically be added in your TikTok shop automatically as well. And that's basically it. That's how you add products on TikTok shop from Shopify. And that's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!